Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll continue exploring the rich history, culture, and current issues facing the Oromo people in Ethiopia. The Oromo people have a long and complex history that stretches back centuries. While the exact origins of the Oromo people are not known, it is believed that they migrated to Ethiopia from the Horn of Africa in the 16th century. Over the years, they have faced marginalization and discrimination from the ruling class and other ethnic groups in Ethiopia. However, they have managed to preserve their culture and traditions through their strong sense of community and identity. The Oromo people have a rich and diverse cultural heritage that includes music, dance, art, and literature. Their traditional way of life is characterized by a strong connection to the land and to nature, and their culture reflects this connection in many ways. One of the most famous cultural events in the Oromo tradition is the Irrecha festival, which is celebrated every year to mark the end of the rainy season. The festival is a time of joy and thanksgiving and is celebrated by thousands of people from all over the world. It is held in the town of Bishoftu, which is located southeast of the Ethiopian capital, Addis Ababa. Another important aspect of Oromo culture is their music and dance. Oromo music is diverse and encompasses a variety of styles and genres, including traditional, modern, and fusion music. It is characterized by the use of a wide range of musical instruments, including the krar, a lyre-like instrument, the washant, a type of flute, and the masinko, a single-stringed fiddle. Oromo dance is also an important part of their culture and is often performed during festivals and other cultural events. It is characterized by its energetic movements and expressive gestures, and often tells stories through dance. The Oromo people also have a rich literary tradition that includes poetry, songs, and stories. Many famous poets and writers, such as Sheikh Bakri Sapalo, Abagada Melbagada, and Ali Bira, have written in the Oromo language. The Oromo people have their own unique writing system, which is called Kbi, and it is widely used in Oromia, the region where the Oromo people are concentrated. Despite the rich history and culture of the Oromo people, they continue to face significant challenges and discrimination in Ethiopia. The Oromo people have long been marginalized and oppressed, and their struggle for recognition and equality continues to this day. One of the main issues facing the Oromo people in Ethiopia is land ownership. Many Oromo people have been displaced from their ancestral lands, which have been taken over by the Ethiopian government or foreign corporations. This has caused significant economic hardship and dislocation for the Oromo people, who rely on the land for their livelihoods. Political representation is another major issue facing the Oromo people in Ethiopia. Despite being the largest ethnic group in the country, they have historically been underrepresented in the government and other key institutions. This has led to a sense of marginalization and exclusion, and has fueled tensions between the Oromo people and other ethnic groups in Ethiopia. In conclusion, the Oromo people in Ethiopia have a rich and diverse history, culture, and tradition. Despite facing challenges and discrimination, they continue to preserve their way of life and struggle for recognition and equality. The Irrecha festival, their music and dance traditions, and their literary heritage are just a few examples of the rich and vibrant culture of the Oromo people. We hope this video has helped you to learn more about the Oromo people in Ethiopia and appreciate the diversity of cultures and traditions around the world. It's important to recognize the challenges that the Oromo people and other marginalized communities face and work towards promoting greater understanding, respect, and equality. Thank you for watching this video on the history, culture, and traditions of the Oromo people in Ethiopia. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. We look forward to exploring more diverse cultures and traditions with you in the future.